What is up, everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to everybody's watching the video. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer Solana from Binance to your Coinbase account. Just pretty simple. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. So for those people who do not have Solana, it's a crypto and right now it's going really high in price. Its current price is around $204. But if price goes up and down, so when you're watching the video, it might be up or it might be done. But this video is not on that, this video is on how you guys can transfer Solana from Binance to Coinbase. So let me show you guys how we guys can do that. And Binance and Coinbase are both crypto exchange where the guys combined, so crypto right now. Let me show you guys how we guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance and Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance and Coinbase. And let's get right into the video. First step is want to sign up into your Binance on your Coinbase account on your computer by going to Binance.com and Coinbase.com. After I do that first step, you want to go to your Coinbase.com. You want to go and register, send and receive, and you want to go on the receive section over here on your Coinbase. Once you go on the receive section, you want to choose your Solana coin over here. By default it's going to be in Bitcoin, but since we're not transferring Bitcoin, you don't want Bitcoin to be over here, you want Solana, so you just want to click on Bitcoin over here. After click on Bitcoin, you need to search for Solana, so I just click on over here and I search for Sol, short from a stolen. So after I click console, once Sol is going to be shown over here, you can copy the wallet address by clicking this button. Once you copy this, the next step is go to Binance Gold Wallet Overview over here. Once you go to Overview, the next section is want to go on the Withdraw section over here. Once you go into Withdrawal section, you want to choose Sona, and over here by default it's going to be Bitcoin, but that's not what we are transferring, Sol for Solana. After you do that, you come down over here, paste the thing which you copied from Coinbase, and after that it's going to check the network automatically. If it doesn't, you can choose it yourself. Then enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, click on Withdraw, then the amount of Solana will be transferred from your Binance to the Coinbase. That's how simple it is. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any questions, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and check our description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance and Coinbase.